Have you been wanting to learn how to use tools and do jobs around the house, but you don't know where to start? Well, join me March 25th and 26th for the ContractHer's first women's workshop and retreat here in Maryland. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know so that you can maintain your home and tackle that DIY project you fell in love with on Instagram. Over the years, you can spend thousands of dollars on repairs and small upgrades. So I designed this workshop to create an opportunity for you to take back control and make the investment into yourself. I want you to have the knowledge and skills to get these jobs done independently and with confidence. And let me let you in on a little secret. I'm totally ditching the traditional classroom setting and I'm giving you ladies a retreat full of vibes and positive energy. There are limited spaces available that come with accommodations for my ladies that are coming from out of town. But whether you're coming from near or far, you're gonna need room in your suitcase because everyone's going home with a tool bag full of goodies. To register, click the link in my bio and I can't wait to see you all there.